Guess what I received in mail today? This is the OFRA x SmithaDeepak All Eyes on Me PR box. I haven't opened it. I want to open it with you because you have been a part of this journey like from the get-go. So I want to show you what's in here, and oh my god, I haven't seen it. So let's see it. You have no idea what this collab means to me. I've been on YouTube for the past 6 years, as you know, and I've always waited for the right opportunity to collaborate with the right brand. And you know, OFRA has always been on top of the list, and oh my god. Oh, this is the All Eyes on Me collection and includes a beautiful highlighter and 2 stunning lipsticks. The packaging, as always, is minimalistic. It's simple, it's clean, and you can see the SmithaDeepak right there. And at the back, you see, that's me. And there's a little quote from me. I actually said that. So that's in the back of the package. This kit is an essential in everybody's makeup stash, something that everybody will reach out to. The perfect everyday nude called Bestie, and that stunning berry red called Standout for a reason. And then we have this stunning warm gold, almost like an anti-gold highlighter called Flash. You can either get this entire collection or you can buy the products separately. The collection of course has smaller sizes, so you can try this out first, and if you like it you can go for the full size products, and I know you will love it. Oh my gosh, you gotta try this. It's just so beautiful. I just feel so emotional because you have no idea. I thought I have no chance in this industry. I just felt like I did not belong here, and I just focused on teaching, and I just focused on my subscribers and followers because I'm so passionate about teaching, and I just wanted you to learn expecting nothing in return. So this, my friends, collaborating with my favorite brand, you have no idea what the feeling is like. So thank you so much for being a part of my journey and part of my life. I honestly don't know what I'd do without you. I found a new purpose because of you guys, and I'm just so thankful and so grateful. And remember to never give up on your dreams. Put in all the work and put in the best quality into everything. Put in your heart, soul, everything into whatever you do. And one day you will see a day like this. I love you guys so much.